Okay, well, yesterday somebody stopped. We were in Richland, Washington by Howard Amon Park, and we were parked there for just a few minutes, and some guy came up and wanted to talk to us. And what he was wanting to find out was what kind of reaction we get from driving this little truck around. And so he turned out to be a Christian, so we were pretty much on the same page. And while we were talking, 4 or 5 teenagers come walking by, and we had just been talking about how we get most of our flack from teenagers, and usually it's young girls. I've been attacked a number of times by young girls, and they know they can get away with it because, you know, I mean, what do you do if you get attacked by a girl? You can't really beat them up or anything. So anyway, we were talking about that, and these kids walked by, and of course right away they started calling us religious bigots, homophobes, haters, this, that, and the other. And then in the middle of all this, one of the kids had a big soda pop in a paper cup, and with ice in it and everything. And he just got so ticked off, he took the whole thing and he threw it at us. And you can see some of the remnants of it on top of our vehicle today. There's still some of the syrupy, sticky stuff on the top of the car or the truck. So that's what you run into. And then they have this little game that they play. They know that if they stand in front of your vehicle, you're going to get in trouble if you touch them with your vehicle. So they'll stand in front of your vehicle while the other ones vandalize your vehicle. So that's what they did. They went and got their dad, and they came back, and as we were trying to leave, they stood in front of our truck so that we couldn't leave. Well, I moved up to them real close, and they ended up, two of them had their hands on the front of the vehicle, and I just began to get faster and faster until eventually they had to get out of the way, because I'm not going to sit there while somebody else is vandalizing my vehicle, or maybe break the window open and grab me. Because one of the guys, one of the parents, I'm assuming it's one of their dad, because they said they were going to get their dad, threw a water bottle. I mean, he was only less than 20 feet away from us when he threw it, and it hit the driver's side of the window of my vehicle. And I saw it coming, so I turned my head away because I thought it was going to come through the glass, but it didn't, fortunately. But that's what you're dealing with. You know, it's kind of like the Antifa type. They'll stand in front of your vehicle thinking that they can do anything they want to you because you can't move, you can't touch them, because then they say, well, you run us down or whatever.
Let's go get your dad. Let's go get your dad. The airport, huh? You guys are nasty. Fuck you guys. Said, how about somebody put a dick in our ass? Read what's that tape. Read what's that tape. What did you say?
That's the younger generation for it.
Yeah.